Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Portland. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's a address bar, type down pay traffic ticket online in Portland and enter it. And from here you need to select this website here from the portland.gov. So over here scroll a bit down here and you can find the option here, the instruction as well. And from here select this Oregon Judicial Department from the pay online. And from here scroll a bit down and select the start now here and select for the court case or the citation, summons or complaint and select the country. And after that, you need to enter the number and select continue and you can proceed to it. And after that, you can make a payment and save a confirmation and that is it. That is how you can pay traffic ticket online in Portland. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.